really excited about the order to delivery program. We will be able to effectively commit to any customer across the world when they're going to absolutely receive their motorcycle, and we're going to be able to give them a progressive update. For us to be able to do that in all of our countries internationally, I mean, that's incredibly powerful.
Infor has helped us reduce our inventory. We've actually reduced our inventory by 50%.
We do want to be able to leverage that elasticity of cloud. We do want to extend that whole sort of connected network, the connected supply chain, to be able to get into things like machine learning, to utilise the capabilities of artificial intelligence that the Coleman platform, for example, is offering.
We are somewhere in the range of saving about $500,000 over the first 5 years by going to Cloud Suite.